Introduction to Software Testing and QA.
Software testing and quality assurance are essential roles in ensuring software works as intended. Beginners in this field help identify bugs, improve product reliability, and enhance user experience. A career in QA combines technical skills, problem-solving, and attention to detail, making it ideal for those who are methodical and enjoy collaboration.
Understanding the basics of software testing.
Start your journey by learning the fundamentals of software testing. This includes understanding types of testing, such as manual, automated, functional, and non-functional testing. Exploring popular development methodologies, like Agile and DevOps, helps new testers see where QA fits in the software development lifecycle.
Essential tools and skills.
Familiarize yourself with key testing tools widely used in the industry. Examples include Selenium for automation, Jira for issue tracking, and Postman for API testing. Additionally, practice writing basic test cases, bug reports, and gain proficiency in at least one scripting language, such as Python or JavaScript, to prepare for automation roles.
Building experience and certification.
Hands-on practice is vital. Work on real or open-source projects to gain practical skills. Consider industry-recognized certifications, like ISTQB Foundation Level, to validate your knowledge. Joining QA communities and online forums also helps you keep up with trends and learn from experienced professionals.
Mapping your career path forward.
As you gain experience, explore specialized roles like automation engineer, performance tester, or test lead. Continually update your technical and soft skills, such as communication and teamwork. A career in software testing and QA offers various advancement opportunities, making it a rewarding path in the tech industry.